Darkness falls over the Australian outback. The moon hangs low, casting pale silver over twisted trees and dry red earth. Every sound is sharp and mysterious. Leaves rustle, and somewhere, a distant call echoes. Something is awake, hunting, waiting. This place is alive at night, and every shadow can hide a predator or prey. Tonight, something rare is about to happen. Two giants of the wild, one slithering, one bounding, are on a collision course. The air is thick with suspense. Somewhere between the ghost gums and spinifex grass, a reticulated python glides silently, its scales catching the moonlight. Not far off, a muscular kangaroo grazes, ears flicking for danger. It's the ultimate wild showdown. Neither expects a fight, but fate is unpredictable. In this harsh world, survival is never certain, and every night brings new dangers. The stage is set. The outback is watching. The question hangs in the air. If these two meet, who will emerge victorious? The answer lies in their strengths, their instincts, and the untamed unpredictability of the wild. Wild animal encounters are never easy to predict. The outcome can swing in seconds. It depends on many things: size, speed, intelligence, and even luck. One animal might have pure muscle, while another is built for stealth. Sometimes, a clever move is worth more than brute strength. The environment matters too. Rocky hills, thick grass, or open plains can tip the scale in favor of one or the other. An animal's mood or hunger level can also change everything. One misstep in the bush, and the tables turn. Animal fights are not just about power. They're about timing, patience, and knowing when to strike or flee. A weaker creature can outsmart a stronger one. Sometimes escape is victory. Tonight, with darkness as a cover, every sense matters. Both python and kangaroo are wild survivors, but in nature's arena, nothing is ever guaranteed. Let's meet our competitors. First, the reticulated python, a giant among snakes. This reptile can reach over 6 meters long. Its body is a coil of muscle, built for squeezing the life out of its prey. It moves with silent grace, an expert at ambush. The python's eyes are unblinking and cold, perfect for spotting movement even in low light. Facing it is the kangaroo, a true athlete of the outback. Red kangaroos are the largest marsupials on Earth. They stand tall, sometimes over 2 meters, and can weigh up to 90 kilograms. Their legs are pure power, built for jumping long distances or delivering crushing kicks. Sharp claws add to their arsenal. Both are tough, but in very different ways. The python is patient and quiet, a master of surprise. The kangaroo is fast and alert, always ready to flee or fight if cornered. Each has evolved tools for survival in this harsh land. Tonight, these wild titans will test each other's limits. Instinct and muscle will decide who walks away. The reticulated python is a marvel of strength and strategy. Its entire body is one giant muscle. Every movement is controlled and precise. When it hunts, it relies on stealth. It glides through the grass, nearly invisible, using its tongue to pick up scents in the night air. Its patterned scales blend perfectly with the shadows. When the python strikes, it is fast, faster than many expect. In a flash, it launches forward, grabbing hold with needle-sharp teeth. Then comes its true weapon constriction. The snake coils its body around its prey, tightening with crushing force. Each breath the prey takes is squeezed a little more, until finally it cannot breathe. Reticulated pythons can take down large animals, deer, pigs, and sometimes even leopards in their native Southeast Asia. But they rarely meet creatures as alert and strong as a kangaroo. Their skin is tough, but not armored. Their eyes are sharp, but cannot see behind them. The python's defense is its offense. It rarely fights head-on. Instead, it waits, hidden, ready to turn stealth into a deadly embrace. The kangaroo is a champion of speed and strength. Its back legs are thick with muscle, designed for leaping across vast distances. In a sprint, it can reach over 60 kilometers per hour, but its greatest weapon is its kick. One powerful strike can break bones, even those of a predator. Its claws are sharp, especially on the hind feet. When threatened, a kangaroo will sometimes balance on its tail and lash out with both legs. The force is incredible. Even large dogs and humans have suffered serious injuries from a kangaroo's kick. Its front paws have smaller claws for grabbing or scratching. Kangaroos also have keen senses. Their eyes are set wide, giving them a broad field of vision. Their ears swivel to pick up sounds from every direction. If something moves, even slightly, they're ready to jump away. Though it looks gentle while grazing, the kangaroo is no easy target. It's built for speed, power, and quick escapes. When cornered, it becomes a fierce fighter. Both animals are powerful, but in different ways. The python's strength is its ability to crush. Its body can squeeze with hundreds of pounds of force. Few animals can break free once trapped in those coils. What the python lacks in speed, it makes up for in raw, steady power. The kangaroo's power is explosive. Its muscles are like coiled springs, ready to snap into action. One kick can create over 850 pounds of force, enough to shatter bone. Unlike the python, the kangaroo uses its power in quick bursts, not slow crushing. The python's body is low to the ground, making it stable and hard to knock over. The kangaroo stands tall, giving it reach but also making it easier to see. If the python catches the kangaroo off guard, its crushing embrace could end things fast. If the kangaroo spots the snake first, its kicks could keep danger at bay. In this matchup, it's a test of enduring force versus explosive impact. Each has a chance, depending on timing and approach. Speed is key in any wild encounter. The kangaroo is much faster across open ground. It can leap up to 9 meters in one bound and reach high speeds to escape danger. Its agility lets it dodge, pivot, and strike quickly. If it senses a threat, it can get away in seconds. The python is not built for chasing. Its speed comes when it strikes. In that one moment, it can lunge with surprising quickness, covering a meter or more in an instant. But after that, it relies on holding tight, not chasing after prey. Its slow, silent approach is its main advantage. If the battle starts with distance between them, the kangaroo has the upper hand. It can stay clear, use its speed, and avoid being caught. But if the python has time to get close and set up an ambush, it can strike before the kangaroo even knows it's there. Whoever moves first has a big advantage. In the wild, a single second can decide everything. Let's break down their weapons. The reticulated python's main tool is its body. Its jaws are lined with curved teeth, perfect for grabbing and holding, but its real danger lies in its coils. Once wrapped around its victim, it tightens with every heartbeat. The more the prey struggles, the tighter the grip. The kangaroo's weapons are its legs and claws. The hind feet have long, sharp nails that can rip through flesh. Its kick is fast and powerful, able to knock down even large predators. The front paws can scratch, but are less dangerous. The tail is strong enough to support its weight when fighting. Both animals rely on surprise. The python hopes its prey won't see it coming. The kangaroo hopes to spot danger first and strike quickly. Their weapons are deadly, but only if used at the right moment. In a face-off, each must rely on instincts and timing. The winner is the one who lands the first, most effective blow. Picture this. The kangaroo grazes, unaware. Nearby, the python glides silent, hidden in the scrub. The wind shifts. The kangaroo's ears flick. It senses movement, tensing its muscles. Suddenly, the python strikes from the shadows, aiming for the hind leg. The kangaroo leaps, barely dodging the first lunge. Dust fills the night air. The python tries again, jaws snapping. This time, the kangaroo pivots and lashes out with a brutal kick. The blow lands, knocking the snake back, but not out. The python regroups, circling with patience. It waits for a closer chance. If the python manages to snag the kangaroo's leg, it coils fast. The kangaroo kicks and thrashes, but every breath gets harder. If it breaks free, one more kick could end the fight. If not, the python's grip tightens until it's over. In the end, the battle could go either way. It all comes down to surprise, speed, and a bit of deadly luck. So, who would win? In open ground, the odds favor the kangaroo. It can spot the python and use its speed and mighty kick to escape or fight back. In thick undergrowth, or if the python gets the first strike, the snake could win with its powerful coils. The environment and timing are everything. Each animal is a champion in its own way. Sometimes luck decides more than muscle. In nature, even the strongest can fall to a clever ambush or a lucky blow. Nature doesn't play by simple rules. That's what makes the wild so thrilling and so dangerous. What do you think? In this ultimate showdown, would the silent hunter or the leaping fighter come out on top? Let the debate begin. In the wild, only one thing is certain: expect the unexpected.